Nooku's respiratory care project aims to improve the care of respiratory disease sufferers within the Glasgow area, so that's sufferers of asthma and COPD. Our aim is to do that by providing them indoor air quality information about their home, and also with the goal of providing education and engagement to people in air quality so that they can improve their long-term health. We also want to engage with medical professionals to try and educate them on air quality and understand how we bridge the gap between medical professional and respiratory illness sufferer to try and enable a more holistic approach to care for these people. By being aware of air quality, people are now able to make that link consciously to their respiratory symptoms with their air quality. By having that awareness, they can obviously intervene and change their environment, but they can also bring that information to their doctors, their consultants, who then can make a much more informed decision on care. They'll have evidence to support the care that they're providing. I think our vision is that through our product and through our education and through our app, we can provide that education to people and in general improve the health of the population. We really want people to be able to treat air quality the way that we now treat healthy eating. We're trying to really be at the forefront of pushing that education with people to allow them to live healthier, longer lives.
I wanted to take part in this project because my daughter has childhood asthma, viral wheeze sort of thing, and she's been in and out of hospital a few times. So far, I have already been able to see some differences. The biggest difference is probably peace of mind. One of the reasons I wanted to get involved in the product is because I just didn't really know much about the air quality inside my home, and so knowing that actually in the nursery, where I'm in my daughter's room, there aren't loads of horrible, horrendous chemicals actually is just a huge peace of mind. But at the same time, there is sometimes a peak of CO2 and stuff like that, and that means I can act on that. Having the Nooku in the house has changed my habits. For example, the window in my daughter's nursery, I don't think I'd ever really opened it apart from if it was really hot on a summer's day. It's the winter, why would you open the windows in Glasgow? But being able to see what the air was like, particularly the CO2, has just given me that slight nudge to open the window a little bit to aerate the room and therefore obviously to improve the air quality. I think this project's really important because air quality is so invisible. So having a project which can make that visible in a very readable and very understandable way, I think is really important. And particularly, the way Nooku does it to, engage my daughter as well and have something in her room which she likes interacting with is an extra benefit.